Hey, and first of all, thank you for ordering our Covert copy traffic plugin and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to cover how to install the Covert copy traffic plugin, how to configure and use the plugin. Now, the first thing you want to do is to download your Covert copy traffic plugin from the link below. So all you have to do is click on the link below this video to download the zip file and then save it to your computer. And remember where you save that zip file to, because you're going to need it in a bit when you head into your WordPress admin area to install the file. So go ahead, click the link below now, download the zip file, and remember where you save it to. And right now I'm going to head into my own WordPress admin area to show you how to install and configure the plugin. So here we are inside one of our WordPress sites. And in order to install the plugin, you head to the plugins menu here on your dashboard sidebar menu, and you go to the add new link here, and then you click on upload, and either click the browse button or just click in the box here, and it brings up this console to ask you which zip file you want to upload. This is where you have to remember where you downloaded it to. As you can see, I put it in a separate folder here, which makes it easy to find, but you may have downloaded the file to your desktop, to your download folder, or wherever you normally download stuff to. But what you're looking for is the file called covert copy traffic.zip. When you found that, you mark it, you open it, and make sure it's in the box here. And when that's done, you click on install now, and WordPress will install the plugin for you. And the plugin is now installed, and all you have to do is click on activate. Now, in order to reach the settings for your plugin, you locate the settings menu in your WordPress dashboard sidebar menu. As you see, there's now a link for Covert copy traffic. And if you click that, it brings up the admin panel for it. And as you can see here, the settings menu is now expanded, and you have the Covert copy traffic link down here. Now, a couple of things before we get started. First of all, up here, you see this link. Click here to see our latest plugins, as usual, and this is where we post all the new plugins and themes that we release and recommend, so you can always click here to go be up to date with what's going on. Then at the start of the settings here, we have a help link, and I'm just going to open that one up for you just to show you. It has a link to our support desk if that's needed, and then it has a description of every single menu item in the settings explaining what they do. So if you get stuck on anything in here, you can always click the help link, check out what the different things do, and submit a support ticket if needed. Alright, so the settings for the plugin, the first thing I have here is text before the URL. And this is the attribution message that is automatically added when people copy and paste something from your blog. And the default here is read more. You can type in anything you want here, like let's say original article found here, for example, or whatever you like up here. You have unlimited space really, so you can write as much as you want up here. I'm actually quite happy to read more just for this test. Next is the URL or the link to include in your attribution message. The first selection here is the current page permalink. If you have that selected, the link used will be the link for whatever page or post people actually are copying from. You can choose blog homepage, and that means that your attribution message will always link to your blog homepage no matter where the content is copied from. You can use a specific URL. Let's say, for example, covertprintpress.com is one of our other products. I wanted to include the link for that whenever people copy and paste something from this blog. This could be any link you want. Affiliate links, your product links, links to other blogs, whatever. Just remember to include the full http:// and then the link there. If you have this selected and you've entered a link in here, then whenever people copy and paste from your blog, this link will be used regardless of where they're copying from. And the final setting is none, which means only the text will be shown. You probably rarely want to use this one, but there might be some instances where you only want to display text when people copy and not a link. So the option is there anyway. Right now for the test here, I'm just going with current page permalink. Next setting here is attribution placement. You can choose to have it above the copied text or below the copied text. And finally, minimum words copied words required. This means it's set to 10 here by default. That means if people copy 10 words or more from my blog, this whole attribution message will kick in. If they copy 9 words or less, it will not. I could set this to 5 words, 20 words, whatever. If you always wanted to kick in, you could set it to 0. This means that the attribution message, the link, will always be shown even if they copy as much as a blank space from your blog. But let's do a happy medium and set it to 5 here. So if I update my settings, and that's what you have to do, click the update settings button to save your settings here. It'll say settings updated. If I head into my blog, I'll just have to refresh it now to make the changes come into place. And pause the video here so we don't get that. So if we test it out here and copy a section of this text, you'll now see here's the text, and I selected to have it shown below the copied text, and it says read more, and I had it set to give the permalink for the post it was copied from, and that's what it does here. So there we go. That's how it works. If I set it to show above the text, obviously this line would be above the copied text. So when people go post this into an email, post it into Facebook or whatever, your attribution here will be included, including the link back to your blog, and this works on autopilot everywhere. But just to show you, I'll just do the blog homepage here and refresh again. And just wait for it to load so I can pause the video. Excellent. Just wanted to show you that it actually works not just in the post text, but any text on your blog, including the title. So if we post this in here, you see you still put in the attribution message, and now I've set it to always give the home link for this blog. So it works for the titles too. It even works up here with the blog title and tagline, and it gives the attribution message. So it works anywhere on your blog as long as your minimum copy words is required, and remember you can set this to 0 if you always wanted to kick in. So that's the basic settings in here. Remember you can change this to any text you want. You can change the link settings here, either to the current page it's copied from, blog homepage, or any specific URL, or none at all. Whether you want to show it above the copied text or below the copied text, and remember when you change the settings, always click on update settings. So that was a quick video tutorial about how to install the plugin and how it works. And if we head back in here, all I wanted to say is that thanks again for ordering the Covert Copy Traffic plugin, and good luck with your sites. If you have any questions or comments, please use the support link below. It's at the bottom of this page. Thank you very much.